So guys, hi everybody. Now I'll check what with our stream is it working proper or no. Oh, ah, so guys, hi everybody. Now I'll check what with our stream is it working proper or no. Oh,
Yes.
ah,
Now it's okay.
so guys, hi everybody. Now I'll check what with our stream is it working proper or no. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it good sound now?
Now it's okay.
So guys, hi everybody. Now I'll check what with our stream is it working proper or no. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it good sound now?
Now it's okay.
So guys, hi everybody. Now I'll check
Yes. I guess everything's
what with
fine.
our
Hey, how are you doing? Hi. How are you doing? Glad to see you, man.
stream is it working proper or
Yeah.
no.
Hi, guys. Hi. I'm finally home. Thank you, guys. Yes.
So one, two,
Now,
three, four,
now I
five.
will
Is it good
explain
sound now?
everything. And okay, so we're online. All working is proper. So let's go, guys. Let's go our stream for today. So about the flight, guys. It was a not bad. It was a not bad, but it was a night flight because now not too much flies to Dubai, and that's why I spent some time in Istanbul and then back to Dubai. But basically, it's good. It's good. Fly back, not too much people, good places, um, and fly quite fast. From Istanbul, it's 5 hours. And also, I spent an amazing day in Istanbul with my wife. We love that city. We basically love Turkey because it's a nice country, also with a good nature, and with amazing, by the way, food. Because I show you yesterday, I guess, in my Telegram, guys, that cheesecake, or how to say, right? Basically, it's not cheesecake. It's something like pahlava with ice cream and kunafa. Oh my gosh, it's so tasty, guys. I cannot even explain how tasty is that. It's incredible, and exactly in that place of one the Turkish chef master, who is from, I guess, more than 100 years, like doing this different kind of tastes from Turkey, and it's really amazing. If somebody will be in Istanbul, or you will, by the way, they have this same cafe and same shop in Dubai with the same dishes, with the same desserts, but exactly in Istanbul on the main street Istiklal, it's a much more tasty, and it's much more atmosphere is better, and I like it there more. That's why I spend a little bit time in Istanbul and then come back to Dubai. Finally, we're in Dubai at home. Guys, every time when I come back to Dubai, I'm thinking, oh, such amazing place. Why I fly from here somewhere? Because anyway, for today, in my opinion, is Dubai is the best city in the world for bigger part of the year. Yeah, in the summer need to fly somewhere. Yeah, but only on summer. All the rest of the times, it's really nice. Maybe one time in the winter go to the mountains to have some snowboarding or something like that, and after that again back to Dubai, because you can find there here everything with the best service, with the best price, with any options what you're interested for. So yeah, everything is fine. Thank you for asking, guys. Thank you for asking. My accent from, guys, guess from where is that? I don't know exactly from where is that. Some people telling me that it's sounds like Italian accent, but but I don't know why it's like that, because basically I'm Ukrainian. I'm Ukrainian, but lots of years living already in Dubai, more than 5 years. So guys, okay, you can still send me your questions. We can just talk. We can just chat about some things. I'll in the same time start to talk about the market and everything that's happening now, and show you what we have on the different positions, different options now. I did not sleep 30 hours maybe because of long way home. Because I go from Riviera on a transfer by car in Istanbul, and then from there I fly to Dubai, because it's not so much direct flights now from Europe, and that's why it was easier for me to fly from Istanbul, and also to have some fun there. That's why if you have any questions, anything interesting about the trip or something else, let me know. So let's start about our things. And first of all, let's start from silver. For example, yeah, it's already open here. What we can see here, that silver is still in this range, which we can see here. Yeah, they close this all in balance. We have the return from the order block. We come out of this channel now. Yeah, but anyway, all of this now just only the part of the game with all the market, because now market preparing to something huge. From my opinion, this is for short squeeze. Yeah, this is for now market preparing. Where's my drawing? Market preparing for some movement like this, maybe then like this, and then crash. Not crash, correction, because we will talk with you today about the crash also, and about the correction and what I'm waiting for. Yeah, but basically here last time, I can even check what I gave you last time, guys. I gave you on a silver, yeah, that you can try to take a long from these levels basically, but also locally I'll show you, I show you these levels, that from here you can take the long. And as you see, this level is give us a good reaction. Yeah, basically who take locally long. Yeah, on the Bitcoin I show the same levels, by the way. You can see that it's now good, but I'm waiting anyway for my main targets here, and all the trades which I catch locally here, I'll show in my Telegram. There you can find it there. But basically anyway now I will wait for some correction, and after that I will wait for work with liquidity from sell side or from buy side. That's all what we need. Now. As we can see here, this pin on a weekly time frame is let us know that it should continue go up, like this, and then like this, something like that. Yeah, because they did here a manipulation, they grab all liquidity, and now it will grow a bit. So if you're thinking now to take in some locally trade, yeah, so you can watch now on some locally long, because we have break of structure here, and huge volumes are right now is going in the silver, and I guess on all the other charts with this gold we will see something same. So that's why the game plan is same. From that target we catch a good movement, reaction is good from this target. They didn't grab liquidity from here because there is still compression. Yeah, that we don't need anymore, because here is still compression of liquidity, see. And if you catch this entry point or this entry point, you're lucky, it's good, we catch something like that. But basically they have targets here, and that means that they will go there with a very big chance. But we should now see on reaction here, yeah, because there should be reaction now from this level, yeah, and if after that we will not give us no lower low, we will continue growing. So something like that. But basically a game plan here is same. Let's see at the same time what happened on the gold, by the way. Oh yeah, finally it grabbed all the targets which I showed there last time. Yeah, for sure we see some, we are still in imbalance here, we're still there. It's a little bit changed here, these targets need to change, it has to be changed like this. Okay, so basically on a gold, what I'm waiting for. By the way, let's check by Fibo. Basically guys, yeah, in some point it's almost from all this moment we already did a good correction. We are in discount zone, was here, everything was under 0.5 here of the optimal line. It's a discount zone. So if we're looking for here for long, yeah, for example, because we have still this target, all what buy under this level, yeah, under this level 0.5, it's a good entry point in discount zone for long. So now we're already out of this level. That's why if we will continue go down, maybe for one more sweep, you can catch it in the long. Yeah, it really strongly depends on the situation now in the Middle East. We will talk about it a bit later. Yeah, but what I see now, we have 2 weeks of correction here. Yeah, so I'm waiting for some new high on the chart. I'm waiting for some new high, and I guess we will see that soon. Yeah, I guess it will be something like that. Yeah, because 5,000 is still main target. 5,000 is still main target, and these order blocks and liquidity which we are not touching yet. Yeah, but that also should be ready. We will do a fast review, guys, and I'll show you most important things. Yeah, for example, on the Bitcoin as a main crypto coin now, we have interesting situation. Yeah, from that liquidity zone, we see that we have reaction. Yeah, because we did not like break this zone with a candle. Yeah, we only touch it, leave the shadows, and the return now and going higher. And I guess we'll continue to go higher. Yeah, this level is still available. Yeah, by the way, it can be touched. But I'm waiting when that will go over the 80k. Over the 80k, I will start open my short position, guys, and that we will see that already soon. Believe me. So what is important here? If we will see the locally on, for example, on the Bitcoin, yeah, the really good target now to try to catch some position. If you wanted to enter the position right now, this is right now. If you are risky high, very risky high, you can try to open the short. Yeah, because now we're in this zone. Which is also our local short zone. And yeah, basically it's going up. But we can try to catch here the reverse, because it still has liquidity, buy liquidity under the levels. And from here you can try to right now open the short position. Yeah, open the short position with a target on this alloy. So, and it can work also now. We will open, for example, like this position. Yeah, with a 3.7 risk reward is also a good position. Let's leave it like that, with a low risk, guys, because it's very risky now, because basically it should go higher. But if you want, you can try to catch it, because now we're in a sell zone, and this is a good zone to try if you wanna. But also, if you wanted to try to open the long, I prefer you to open the long from 74, let's say these levels. Yeah, this is our second buy zone. So first, second, third. Yeah, if it will go here, from here you can try to open a long one more time, because as we see, we got reaction already from here first time. And this zone is strong, this volumes is strong, so we can get one more reaction from here. So in the best way, you should to grab now short. After that, after you take the short, exactly from here to open the long. Yeah, and this is the best way. And this is when you catch in 2 trades in the 2 sides, and it's the best trade. Yeah, but control your risk, please, guys. So the game plan I'll give you, and the local game plan, the global game plan, and all the rest in your hands. But I guess now it's a not bad try for short, but it's for lucky. Yeah, because now the Bitcoin is very manipulative, very. So also the interesting thing that now we can see, for example, on the Dogecoin, guys, on Dogecoin, a long time we did not see with you the coins like this, like Doji and all the rest coins. Let me check Doji. We have here now we did hard times for the market. We can see here how it was corrected. Oh my gosh, yeah, there was some things about the pullback, but we did not get it. So it start growing. Yeah. Anyway, we're here in consolidation. Yeah, we're in a consolidation here, and my opinion is that it will grow. It will grow. It will go long, and you can ask me why. I'll let you know, because in the last months, the whales bought Doji more than on 11 billions. So they bought Doji on 11 billions in the last 3-4 months, and on the background with Bitcoin now going higher. If Bitcoin continue going higher, so for sure Doji will go higher too. And if Elon again will give some support and will do some X post or something like that, we can see easily here is like this or like this movement easily. So, and did what happened? No, stop simulation. Sorry guys. So, and we can easily see that movement now here, and this is by the way, even for first target, for example here, yeah, we can see that there is 40%, and if to close main target here we have imbalance, yeah, and after some post from Elon that can easily fly to this target. Here is not too much liquidity, here is only order block, yeah, they grab here everything, and here also, yeah, but for that target, for the first target 45, for the next target 95% on the spot, guys, on the spot. So keep in mind, Doji now looks quite bullish. Also, the interesting thing is now we can see on the Middle East the situation, and exactly the situation in that. By the way, not lagging, everything is fine. Not lagging, everything is fine. And on the Middle East, the situation now is like that. That Iran has troubles with that. That they don't know where to sell them this oil, all oil, which they production every day, and it's not good for them because the economy of Iran start cracking, and yeah, it's quite logically, but anyway, it's a big issue for them because they have to sell oil to keep them economy grow and to keep everything working. And Trump has an issue on other side. So with Trump has issues that the price for 1 gallon of petrol in US already $6 for 1 gallon in US. $6, $6, guys, and it's a very high price. It's 3 times higher than usually, minimum. And for sure, it's already too hot situation on the Middle East with all these stocks with oil tankers and everything. And my opinion that the final of all that situation is somewhere already in same room with us. Yeah. So in my opinion, that soon we will see the result of all the situation, and for sure, in my opinion, the result will be for us in a good way. It will be a diplomatic agreement about the situation, how they solve it, how they finish this special operation, and something like that, and everything will be smooth and everything will be fine. But and on the expectation for that, we will see how the market will grow now, and after that it will fall. For sure it will fall. Yeah. So for US and for Iran, the bid for this game is too high already. It's too high, and that's why they will do now everything to find the solution for finish all this operation. The last videos and last streams calls live, I told you guys about that I'm waiting correction and I'm waiting blood on the market, and some people just start thinking that I'm telling about the real crash on the markets, on the S&P 500, on all the markets. By the way, let's see what happened was it S&P 500, and that I'm waiting full crash like it was in the dot-com crisis in 2000 or something like that. Oh shit, S&P is flying up and up. So now we can say that correction is finished on S&P. Temporary. Yeah, 3 from 4 take profits we got here. My opinion, that's already good level. That's already nice result. And now it's flying again up. Yeah. So I'll do more detailed analysis, guys, and back to you with that in the chat in the Telegram. If you want a more detailed, please there. Today I can only talk and only just throw some minds in you because I'm too tired, guys. Right now I did not sleep more than 45 hours. That's why I can be a bit slow. Yeah. So S&P, yeah, it's a bullish. It's just hot candles only. What can I say, guys? Targets we have lower, but now it's just got candles. But it's okay. So about the situation with .com. Yeah, by the way, DXY is finally come back to the channel. Yeah, it was a fake pullback. Yeah, it's finally come back here. It's going down to our targets, which I mentioned you 2 weeks ago, and for sure it will go here. Gold will go higher. So gold in the long, silver in the long. Just wait. That's what you need to know now, guys. And about the .com and that crisis, yeah, and some people thinking that will be same crisis and same crash like it was in .com time, but guys, just piece of useful information for you, that in .com times the companies the price on the companies was so overpriced that you can't imagine even. For example, the capitalization, yeah, like sale price of Yahoo or Microsoft, yeah, but let's take these two. Of Microsoft, for example, was around 100 yearly like volumes and 100 yearly profits. So them capitalization was on 100 yearly revenue. Yahoo price on .com was like 800 yearly annual revenue. The price, how it was created, yeah, you understand, yeah. So now, for example, the Amazon, the Google, the biggest companies, is capitalization around 15 to 20 yearly revenues. So that means that this like bubble, this bubble of like which is calling stock market, this bubble is still too small. What I want to say, yeah. Because in the .com times it was too big. Now it's still small, and they can make this bubble bigger and bigger quite a long time yet. So that's just for what you should be ready. That's why when I'm telling you about the blood on the market and the brutal correction, I mean exactly correction. Yeah, it can be 10%, 15% in a day, 1 or 2 candles, something like that. But it will not be like 40% or 50%. Yeah, too early. Because anyway, political people, they are crazy, but they are not idiots, and they all want to make money, and they can quite a long time create new and new news and new like ideas how to grab more attention and how to take more attention to the some things. For example, now we are everybody in the financial markets talking about the in May about the new chairman of Federal Reserve, yeah, Kevin Walsh, about the diplomatic agreement between Iran and the US, talking about the Bitcoin, about the beer market and everything, many some newses, and that will be again and again. They will create new and new news, like info production states, everything. They can do lots of stuff like that. Yeah, and it's okay because that's the market. It's working like that. You will understand how it's working with need some time. Yeah, but then you will understand how it works. Like it's all manipulation. It's all manipulation. Like in the chess, you know, you can make a move and then you're looking how it reacts on the market, on the people, on the psychology and everything. Same here. This is a game, yeah, and all like Trump, all other important people in the world, they have them own plan and they just go into this plan. Sometimes that's plans together, and most of the times it's like that. Yeah, that's why our main target is just to understand what they're planning to do and join them plans, even without ask them about that. Yeah, this is our main target, guys: to be smart, to trade smart, to invest smart, and to make profit on the market. So that's what I basically do. So you know, guys, so hard to think about something when you don't sleep for the 5 hours. Yes, this is the main things. So not be scary. What I want to say, the bubble can be much bigger, and that's good for us because they should print money, they should do all the stuff, and everybody waiting that, and everybody expect that, and everybody buying now on the expectation, and because they want to us to buy on expectation, and we're doing this. It's basically a logic. And it's totally fine. What is really important is that you always should pay attention to the some stuff like some break news which can in one day change situation in the market, and to be updated always about that news. You can subscribe on my Telegram channel, link under that video, and be informed about all possibilities on the market in the same time when that possibility come on the market and make profit. So if you're interested, follow the link below. So guys, this is the most important and interesting things. Yeah, also I wanted to tell you and show you just some things about tokens, which I also show you several times. Yeah. So our trade on Memcore, yeah, it was like that for people who took a high leverage. I took a leverage 1, so that's why I did not liquidate, because there is almost no liquidation. But some people got stop losses here. It's fine. The basic analysis was right. Yeah, the basic analysis was right. But unfortunately, after that, it gave one more impulse and one more manipulation. And after that, already it's go down. Now it dropped 40%. Good movement, but not that time. Next time. Yeah, and still it will correct it more and more. It will go more and more, but already if you got stop loss, better to forget. If you are in a position and you now should be somewhere in the entry point and just need to wait till it will go down, but it will 100%. Also, we still, I guess, keeping a nice short on the VLFI. Wanted to show you VLFI. VLFI. WLFI. This is a Trump coin of them family coin. Where is that? Where is that? Can't find it, guys, for you. By the way, what about the gas here? Not reached level yet, not yet. Sale. Yeah, by the way, look. Sale is grab good targets here. And from here, nicely got a reaction from here. That first scenario gave us a good move. Hype also basically going by quite technically. Okay, I couldn't find it. I will just open for you like this. Why they remove from So, Trump family coin, and what we can see now here, it's just falling with no stop at all. And the same chart I'm waiting on Memcore, but just need time, guys. Yeah, and about exactly that coin, that's what I can tell you guys, that this is just a scam from Trump. All what you need to know. Yeah, try to catch it or try to trade it now. I'm not recommended, but it just to show you guys what the really we have now on the market. It's at the same time it's like regulation already in front of our door in the crypto market, and soon that will be regulated and everything like that. But still, it's like on the, in the cowboy movies. They doing whatever they want. They doing everything what they want. Just how it calls like I forget the word, guys. How it calls like Wild West. It's like a Wild West, guys. It's a Wild West. Just Trump family coin, just from the top, just minus 84%. Just Trump family coin. Okay, let's watch fast what happened on the euro. By the way, here was the easiest game plan from where we got okay, these levels, and this is basically a reverse imbalance. Okay, yeah, it still has targets lower. A good now entry point for short also, to take some short from here. Good entry point. Long stop loss maybe will be, yeah, but still good. Yeah, you can try like this, guys. Let's leave it here. That's all what you need to know now. Oh yes, okay, it's going higher here to these targets, which we're waiting it here, because the targets always waiting for price when it come to them. Yeah, there's small target also. So we can see accumulation, then break even here, and yeah, here I prefer to wait till we will grab all the targets, and already after that, from here enter in the short. That will be the best solution here. I will also leave position here like this. You will see in a few days that entry point will be reached. So guys, that's the main thing what I wanted to tell you now for today about the market. I'll prepare for you a nice video. By the way, it's already on YouTube. Follow it to watch it and give you feedback. I'm interested in what you're thinking about. And see you next week. Have a good weekend. Have a rest on the weekend. I'm planning tomorrow to go on workout of arm wrestling. By the way, I'm third place champion of Europe in amateur arm wrestling. So congrats me, thank you so much. Happy to hear it. My hobby for my soul. I like it. It's like very nice for reduce stress, guys. My stresses go out when I training, when I in the company of my friends, also athletes and something like that. I love Dubai. Okay, guys. Glad to see everybody here who stay with me. Have an amazing weekend. Rest, recover your brain and body, and see you on the next week on a Monday. Bye bye.